Today I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter on your 2022 Toyota Corolla. It's going to be in your glove box. Go ahead and open it up. Now you're going to need to disconnect this damper you have here on the side. All you have to do is just pull it, okay? And then we'll disconnect. And now you need to push in these stoppers that stop your glove box from opening too far. All you have to do is push them in, okay? And the glove box will actually come off once you do this, okay? You can see that it falls off the hinges. Once you get that out of the way, cabin filter is located in this compartment right here. To open it, all we do is squeeze these guys right here, and the door will come right off, and then we can pull the element right out, okay? If you need an element, I'll leave a link down in the description box that will take you right to a new element if you want to purchase one. But pretty much you're just going to take it out of this holder that it has and replace it. It's that simple. Once you get your new one, just stuff it back in there and just put it back together the way you took it apart. If the video was helpful, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button and like and subscribe. Thank you.